Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about 15 affiliate programs that pay up to $2,000 per sale. These are some of the highest paying affiliate programs in the market, so if you're looking to make some serious money with affiliate marketing, then this is the video for you. What is affiliate marketing? Before we get into the specific programs, let's quickly go over what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. The 15 affiliate programs. Now, let's take a look at the 15 affiliate programs that pay up to $2,000 per sale. 1. Shopify. Shopify is a popular e-commerce platform that allows businesses to create and sell their own products online. Their affiliate program offers a commission of up to $2,000 per sale, which is one of the highest in the industry. 2. SEMrush. SEMrush is a powerful SEO tool that helps businesses improve their website search engine ranking. Their affiliate program offers a commission of up to $200 per sale. 3. Fiverr. Fiverr is a marketplace where freelancers can offer their services to businesses and individuals. Their affiliate program offers a commission of up to $1,000 per sale. 4. ClickBank. ClickBank is a marketplace where businesses can sell digital products, such as e-books, courses, and software. Their affiliate program offers a commission of up to 75% of the sale price. 5. Hostinger. Hostinger is a web hosting company that offers a variety of hosting plans for businesses and individuals. Their affiliate program offers a commission of up to $100 per sale. 6. Aweber. Aweber is an email marketing platform that helps businesses automate their email marketing campaigns. Their affiliate program offers a commission of up to 30% of the monthly subscription fee. 7. Leadpages. Leadpages is a landing page builder that helps businesses create high-converting landing pages. Their affiliate program offers a commission of up to $500 per sale. 8. HubSpot. HubSpot is a marketing automation platform that helps businesses attract, engage, and convert leads. Their affiliate program offers a commission of up to 10% of the monthly subscription fee. 9. Constant Contact. Constant Contact is an email marketing platform that helps businesses send personalized emails to their customers. Their affiliate program offers a commission of up to 30% of the monthly subscription fee. 10. GoDaddy. GoDaddy is a domain name registrar and web hosting company. Their affiliate program offers a commission of up to $100 per sale. 11. WordPress.org. WordPress.org is a free and open-source content management system. Their affiliate program offers a commission of up to 50% of the annual subscription fee. 12. Udemy. Udemy is an online learning marketplace where businesses and individuals can create and sell their own courses. Their affiliate program offers a commission of up to 50% of the course price. 13. Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning platform that offers a variety of courses on a variety of topics. Their affiliate program offers a commission of up to 25% of the monthly subscription fee. 14. Kajabi. Kajabi is an all-in-one platform that helps businesses create, market, and sell their online courses. Their affiliate program offers a commission of up to 40% of the course price. 15. ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is a sales funnel builder that helps businesses create and optimize their sales funnels. Their affiliate program offers a commission of up to 50% of the monthly subscription fee. So there you have it, 15 affiliate programs that pay up to $2,000 per sale. These are just a few of the many high-paying affiliate programs out there, so do some research and find the ones that are a good fit for you. If you're serious about making money with affiliate marketing, then I highly recommend joining at least a few of these programs. With hard work and dedication, you can easily start earning a significant income from affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, then be sure to check out my other videos on the topic. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.